Hey, it's Cynthia Selva. I have a story for you today. Click the link below to find out. When I first made the decision to build my first workbench, I was completely overwhelmed. I had a copy of a plan to build it, but details were lacking and the entire process was so daunting. Needless to say, I struggled to get it built and I almost gave up on woodworking. That's when I knew I needed help. So, after I discovered Ted's 16,000 plan collection, and it was kind of a no-brainer, and since joining, I've been nothing less than amazed at what I've been able to build. I've made furniture, some that's for outside, and some that's never going out of my sight. The workbench I use on a regular basis is one I built during the course. If you have that inkling, where you feel like you need to do this, or you're interested in it, or it's something that would spark that flame of creativity in you, don't delay. Grab your copy of Ted's Woodworking 16,000 Plans now, because when you start building, you're going to surprise yourself with what you create and say, I can't believe I made that, and that feeling is like nothing else in the world. Imagine building some of these projects below. Isn't it amazing? Ted's Woodworking was life-changing for me. And if that sounds like an overstatement, trust me when I tell you, if anything, it's an understatement. Because in the end, this isn't just about learning a new hobby. It's about helping you connect with that deep inner urge to create, to build something meaningful that will last for years. So get started with your next project here, and I'll see you on the inside. Please see, imagine having access to a lifetime supply of woodworking plans. How much time, effort, and money it would save you for the price of a night out. You can take any and all headaches out of building quality woodwork projects, forever. Click here to get access now.